Hi, it's Paolo from the Career Center, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to build a resume using Career Coach. So the first thing to do is go to our website, coastline.edu, scroll down and find Career Coach. Click on this, and it will lead you to this page right here. At this point, click on Resume Builder. And make sure to create an account. If you're a student, it's free, so go ahead and create that account. So I already have one, so I'm going to just log in. After you go through, click on Resume Builder, it's going to give you this option. So I'm going to click on a new resume. And so here you could enter, your name right here. You could create multiple resumes. So you could create like maybe you have a resume for customer service, a resume for computer science, resume for internships. You could create multiple resumes here. So here you fill out the contact information such as your name, your email, your phone number, address, all that. Here you fill out your work experience, and here's the cool part. When I click on add experience, and let's say I had a job like I did cashier, for example. Click on cashier, I click that. Here, it gives you different types of work tasks that you may have done as a cashier. So let's say I've done this, and let's say I've done this, and I've done this. And then you could also include custom ones there. And let's just put Starbucks, let's put Costco. And let's say Garden Grove, California. I'm just gonna make this up. I'm gonna click on save now. And what it's gonna do is it's gonna include that in for the task. And this is the part that students really struggle with, is finding different tasks for what they've done. And here you could include your educational history. Make sure you include Coastline, even though you haven't graduated yet. You could include Coastline and put current on it, and that's one way to do that. Here you could include your skills and also your professional links. And so after you complete all that, you could click on download my resume. And the good part about this is it downloads as a Word document as opposed to a PDF. So you're able to edit this however you want. You could change the template if you want to, but at least you have the basic information down here. And for further help, you could always contact me. My information will be on the description, and I could always help you out for it so you can have a stronger resume. Hopefully that video was helpful for you. So my question to you is, where did you get your resume? Did someone give it to you? Did you download it online somewhere? Or did you use Career Coach? Let me know in the comments down below. And if you haven't already, please like the video, subscribe to our channel, and share the video to your friends who may need a resume. See you next time.